Tired of people seeing a generic or outdated name when you send them an email? Let's get right into it. Changing your display name in Gmail is a breeze, and I'll show you how in just a few simple steps, starting by clicking the settings gear icon located at the top right corner of your Gmail inbox. From the drop-down menu, click on the See All Settings option. This will take you to the main Gmail settings page. Once you're on the settings page, navigate to the Send Mail, a section you might need to scroll down a bit to find it. This section lets you manage how your name appears when you send emails. Find your Gmail address listed here and then click on the Added Info link. Located to the right of your email address, a pop-up window will appear. In the pop-up window, you will see a field where you can edit your name. Make sure the radio button is selected. That allows you to change the name. It's the one on the left. Enter the name you want to display in the provided text box. Type in your desired display name. This could be your full name, a shortened version, or even a business name. Once you're happy with your new display name, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the pop-up window to apply the change. And that's it. Now, when you send emails, recipients will see your updated display name instead of the old one. This simple change will help you present a more professional and recognizable image. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful Gmail tips.